Hello everyone! Today we're going to explore how you can archive completed or historical WooCommerce orders in bulk directly from your orders page. First, go to your WordPress dashboard. From there, navigate to WooCommerce and then click on Orders. Here, you'll see a list of all the orders placed in your store. For this tutorial, we're going to archive multiple completed orders at once. Now, simply select the orders you want to archive. You can select them one by one, depending on your needs. Or if you want to archive many orders quickly, you can even select the entire page at once. For this example, we'll select only the completed orders. Once the orders are selected, go to the Bulk Actions drop-down menu. From the list, select Archive Orders, then click Apply. And just like that, the selected orders are now being archived. Pretty simple, right? Now let's confirm that the orders were archived successfully. Go to the ArchiveMaster plugin in your dashboard. From there, click on Archived Orders. Here, you'll find all the orders that have been archived. This helps keep your main WooCommerce order list clean and easier to manage. Now suppose you want to restore these archived orders back to your active order list. No problem, that's just as easy. You can unarchive orders individually, or if you prefer, you can restore them in bulk. Simply select the orders you want to restore, then go to the Bulk Actions dropdown, choose Unarchive Orders, and click Apply. And that's it. All the selected orders have now been successfully restored. And that's how you can bulk archive and restore WooCommerce orders using ArchiveMaster. It's a simple way to keep your WooCommerce database organized and efficient, especially as your store continues to grow. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more WooCommerce tips, tutorials, and product updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.